Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Rosie. Can you see, teacher? Can you hear me clear? Oh, that's good. How are you today? Are you happy or sad? Good thing that you are happy. Teacher is also happy to see you. In this video, we are going to discuss the degrees of comparison of regular adjectives. Please look at the pictures, then read the sentences. The apple is big. Anna is beautiful. The street is clean. What do you call the highlighted words in the sentences? The highlighted words big, beautiful, and clean are examples of adjectives. Adjective is used to describe nouns and pronouns. Big describes apple, beautiful describes Anna, and clean describes the street. Adjective can also be used in comparing nouns and pronouns, and there are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. These are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree shows no comparison. In a positive degree, you do not need to add anything to the adjective. Example, the apple is big. The adjective big describes apple. Sheena is intelligent. The adjective intelligent describes Sheena. Another one is, her hair is long. The adjective long describes her hair. The second one is comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare 2 nouns and pronouns. We add er to the adjective to show comparison. The word than is placed after the adjective. For example, Anna's hair is longer than Sheena's hair. The adjective longer compared Anna's hair and Sheena's hair. We added er in the adjective long. The word than is placed after the adjective. When the adjective has 3 or more syllables, we put more or less before the adjective to form the comparative degree. Example, the book is more expensive than the notebook. The adjective more expensive compared the book and the notebook. We put the word more before the adjective since the word expensive has more syllables. Another example, Bonifacio Monument is less famous than Rizal Monument. The adjective less famous compared Bonifacio Monument and Rizal Monument. We put the word less before the adjective since the adjective famous has more syllables. And the third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 nouns and pronouns. We add est to the adjective to show comparison. The word the is placed before the superlative adjective. Example, Jen's hair is the longest hair among the 3 girls. The adjective longest compared Jen's hair among the 3 girls. We added est to the adjective long. The word the is placed before the adjective longest. Also, in superlative degree, if an adjective has 3 or more syllables, we put most or least before the adjective. Example, the book is the most expensive of them all. The adjective most expensive compared the book to other supplies. We add most before the adjective since the word expensive has 3 syllables. Another example. Of the three shows, this is the least delightful. The adjective least delightful compared the three shows. We added least before the adjective since the word delightful has three syllables. Let's learn more about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. When adjectives end in Y, change Y to I and add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. Example, tiny, tinier, tiniest. Tiny is in the positive degree, tinier is in the comparative degree, and tiniest is in the superlative degree. Another example, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Next, when adjectives end in E, drop E and add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. For example, nice, nicer, nicest. Nice is in the positive degree, nicer is in the comparative degree, and nicest is in the superlative degree. Another example, wise, wiser, wisest. When an adjectives end in consonant that follows a vowel, double the last consonant and add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. Example, big, bigger, biggest. The adjective big ends with a consonant G and follows by a vowel I. So, we double the consonant G and we add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. Another example, fat, fatter, fattest. The adjective fat ends with a consonant T and follows by a vowel A. So, we double the consonant which is T and we add ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. Another set of examples. The adjective in the first column is in the positive degree. In the second column is in comparative degree. And the third column, they are in superlative degree. Once again, in the comparative degree, we add ER to the adjective and EST for the superlative. And we add more or less before the adjective for comparative degree and most or least for superlative degree if the adjective has three syllables. Examples, small, smaller, smallest, large, larger, largest, hot, hotter, hottest, happy, happier, happiest, truthful, more truthful, most truthful, obedient, less obedient, less obedient. Now, let's compare these three girls, Lala, Mina, and Nana. Lala is tall. This sentence is positive degree. Mina is taller than Lala. This sentence is in comparative degree. Nana is the tallest among the three girls. This sentence is in the superlative degree. Again, what are the degrees of comparison of adjectives? Okay, very good. The degrees of comparison of adjectives are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. How do we form the degrees of comparison of adjectives? Amazing! We add ER for this comparative degree, and when the adjectives have three or more syllables, we add more or less before the adjective. Also, than is placed after the adjective. And for superlative degree, we add est to the adjective. And when the adjectives have three or more syllables, we add most or least. Take note of that, kids. Alright, I know that it's quite a lot to remember. But to help you remember, let's have an activity. Your task is to choose the correct form of the adjective to complete the sentences. Number 1. My drawing is blank than yours. Colorful, more colorful, or most colorful? Very good. The answer is more colorful. Why? Because in the sentence, there are two nouns being compared, my drawing and your drawing. So we have to use the comparative degree. Number 2. Jane is the blank runner in our group. Fast, faster, or fastest? Excellent! The answer is fastest because Jane is being compared to other runners on their team or group. So we have to use superlative degree. Number 3. The blue whale is the blank animal in the world. Heavy, heavier, heaviest? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The answer is heaviest because the blue whale is being compared to other animals in terms of their weight. So we have to use the superlative degree. Number 4. Fe is a blank girl. Talented, more talented, most talented? What do you think is the answer? All right, very good. It is talented. Why? Because it is a positive degree. There's no comparison made in this sentence. We are only describing one person and that is Fe. Jay is blank than Ray. Hardworking, more hardworking, or most hardworking? All right, it is more hardworking because in the sentence, we are comparing two persons, Jay and Ray. So we have to use the comparative degree. Okay, it's now clear, kids? Very good. So we are done, kids. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye everyone. See you next time. Take care and God bless.